Constant in C refers to fixed value that do not change during the execution of a program. That means once you declare value as constant, that value cannot be changed in your program. C supports several types of constants. First one is integer constant. An integer constant refers to a sequence of digits. There are three types of integers, namely decimal integer, octal integer and hexadecimal integer. So the first one is decimal integer constant. Decimal integer constant consists of a set of digits 0 through 9, which may start with positive or negative sign. Positive or negative sign is optional. 127 minus 324 0 654362 plus 79 are valid examples of decimal integer constant. Embedded spaces, commas, non-digit characters are not allowed between digits. For example, 15 space 750, 20 comma 000 $1000 are invalid numbers. Second one, octal integer constant. An octal integer constant consists of any combination of digits from the set of 0 through 7 with a starting digit 0. For example, 037, 0435, 0551 are the octal numbers. So the third one is hexadecimal integer constant. A sequence of digits which starts with 0x or 0x, that is x in small or capital, is considered as hexadecimal integer. They may also include alphabets from A to F or small a to F. The letter A through F represent the number 10 through 15. For example, 0x2, 0x9F, 0xBCD, 0x are the hexadecimal numbers. We rarely use octal and hexadecimal numbers in C programming. Most of the time we use decimal integer. So the second type is real constant. Integer numbers cannot be used to represent quantities such as distances, heights, temperatures, prices and so on. These quantities are represented by numbers containing fractional parts like 17.452. Such numbers are called real or floating point constant. For example, 0.0093 minus 0.75, 421.36 plus 247.0 are examples of real constants. These numbers shown in decimal notation have a whole number followed by a decimal point and fractional part. It is possible to avoid digits before the decimal point or digits after the decimal point. That is 215.95 minus 0.71 plus 0.5 are all valid real numbers. Third type is single character constant. A single character constant contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. For example, P, S, hash 4 are single character constants. Next one, string constants. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The character may be letters, numbers, special characters and blank space. For example, hello, 1964, well done, A are string constant. So the fifth constant is backslash character constant. C supports some special backslash character constant that are used in output functions. Slash A is used for the audible alert while outputting the result. Next one, slash B is used in output for backspace. Next, slash N is used for new line. Next, slash T, it is used for horizontal tab. Next one, slash V, it is used for vertical tab. Next, slash single quote, it is used to print single quote. Next, slash double quote, it is used for double quote. Next, slash question mark, it is used for question mark. Next, slash slash, it is used for backslash. And last one is slash 0, it is used for representing the null value. Next, we will study what is variables. A variable is a data name that may be used to store a data value. Unlike constants that remain unchanged during the execution of a program, a variable may take different values at different times during execution. So there are some rules to follow while creating the variables. In that, first one, they must begin with a letter or underscore. Next one, must consist of only letters, digits or underscore. Third rule is only first 31st characters are significant. Fourth one, cannot use a keyword while creating the variable. Fifth one, must not contain white space. Sixth one, uppercase and lowercase are significant. That is, the variable total is not the same as total or total in capital. For example, John value Mumbai mark sum1 n1 ph underscore value are valid variables because they follow all the rules given above. Variables like 25th, 1, 2, 3, percent symbol, open bracket, area and then close bracket are invalid variables because they are breaking at least one rule from the list of rules.